What was really staggering is that 10% of people said they had to quit or change jobs to be able to manage their childcare or school situation for their family since COVID has started.
Families are feeling the pinch as a new survey finds that 16% of Canadian parents were forced to miss work after a child was unable to go to school due to COVID-related reasons. That's not the only startling result in the survey. 1 in 10 parents reported that they needed to quit or find a new job after a child required a COVID test.
If income is being lost to be able to, your child has a stuffy nose, so you have to take them for a test, this is devastating for some families.
Kelsey Bison is a mother of 2 with an immunocompromised spouse. But she says she considers herself fortunate. Her 2 kids haven't been sick yet or needed a COVID test. But Bison says she knows that's not the case for many families. The survey done by Abacus Data for Children First Canada says 14% of parents say they've seen COVID outbreaks at school, and over half of parents had to wait 1 to 3 days to get results for COVID tests. That's had a big impact on household finances.
30% of families were struggling to meet their basic financial needs because of the impacts of COVID. So if we think about those families, and then we think about needing to miss work to get testing done, that has huge implications.
The Canada Recovery Caregiving Benefit is now open, offering up to $500 a week for parents who miss work due to COVID in the family. But the impacts aren't just economic. 40% of parents say their children have been overwhelmed by the prospect of school during a pandemic.
Our response as a nation to COVID and to going back to school could in fact make things worse for children. And this poll seems to indicate that that might be what's happening.
Children First Canada is asking for the creation of a national child commissioner that could help set policy for child welfare nationally. The Canadian Senate is looking at a bill that would do just that, but there's no indication when that might move forward. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.